You're going to start out painting your nails the color that you want them to be. That can be any color. I'm going to recommend metallics because that really makes the texture of the bubbles pop. I'm using a powder, so I just painted mine black to use the powder because it really makes the pigment stand out. I love this purple pigment. It came in a set of 15 others. I got it from Amazon for I think $11. Of course, I'll link that below. To get these pigments to look their best, you really want to buff that color in, so that's what I'm doing here. I just prefer using my fingers. It works out a lot better. So yeah. After you've got your polish, your powder, whatever you're doing done, you're going to put on a top coat. We are not going to cure that. While that's wet, we're going to get some bubbles. And what I've done, I just used a little glue bottle here. I'm going to put it on like that. You know, just squeeze it out, make sure it's covering the entire nail. And then we are going to pop that into our nail lamp. Now taking a lint-free wipe that is saturated with alcohol, I'm just going to pop those and wipe away the extra. You'll have these little flakies. You can wipe some of those away. You may have to file them, but if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'd be happy to answer.